Welcome to the lecture 9 of Trigonometry series by Integral Minds. So in this lecture we are going to solve a couple of previous year questions from IIT JEE and JEE Advanced. So in this particular question we have multiple, it's a question with multiple correct answers. So let's just dive into the question. So it's given that sine to the power 4x by 2 plus cos to the power 4x by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, so just take one of the values, one of the side, trigonometric ratio into sine. So say we'll make it sine. So this will become 1 minus sine square x whole square by 3, which is equal to 1 by 5. Further solving it, we can let's just not simplify so easily, we'll just do it step by step. So 1 plus sine to the power 4x minus 2 sine square x, right? So it's 1 by 5. So now taking LCM, or you can just push it to the other side. You guys are sensible enough to understand what actually I'm doing here. So it will become 3 sine to the power 4x plus 2 sine to the power 4x minus 4 sine square x. Okay, so if we can see, we can just multiply 5, push this 5 on the other side, so we'll get let's just do it step by step. Okay, so it will be 5 sine to the power 4x plus 2 minus 4 sine square x whole into 5 equal to 6. So we can write it as 5 sine square x plus 5 to z 10 minus 20 sine to the power 4x, rather 20 sine square x minus 6 equal to 0. So we get it as 25 sine to the power 4x plus 4 minus 2 into 5 into sine square x, or rather we can say that it's 2 into 5 sine x sine square x into 2 is equal to 0. So it's basically 5 sine square x minus 2 whole square equal to 0. So 5 sine square x is minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get sine square x as 2 by 5. So sine x will be root over 2 by 5. Actually we do not require the value of sine x, so we need not bother whether the value of sine x is plus, minus, root over, plus or minus, it's whether it's positive or negative, because most of the options are related to a value of a trigonometric function which is on the power of a even number. So if we see the first option, it's given that 10 square x is equal to 2 by 3, and we know that sine square x is 2 by 5. So cos square x will be how much? 1 minus sine square x, which is 2 square, not 2 square, it will be 2 by 5 only, so it will be 3 by 5, right? So we now have the value of sine square x and cos square x. So what will be 10 square x? Sine square x by cos square x, which is 2 by 3. So our first option is correct. Now let us see the second option. Well, let us just wait here. We know that sine square x is 2 by 3, not 2 by 3, 2 by 5, I think. Yes, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. So 2 by 5 and cos square x is 3 by 5, right? Let's just enunciate it. So now we have the second option, which basically says sine to the power 8x by 8. So sine to the power 8x will be 2 by 5 to the power 4 divided by 8. It's a very simple question actually. As I am solving it, I just realized it's a very simple question which was asked. 27. So it's 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so it will be 4 4s are 16, and 25 into 25 is 625 into 8, right? And for in this case it will be 9 9s are 3 square 9, 9 9s are 81, and same 625 into 27. So we get if we take this LCM, it will be 625 into 8 into 27. So how much do we get here? 16 into 27 plus 81 into 8. So 27 into 16 will be 432, and 81 into 8 will be 648. And if we can just use multiply 625 into 8 into 27, we 1,35,000. I'm not sure whether it will get the correct answer or not, but just keep doing. 8 9 10, so 4 5 6 7 8 8, and this will be 1080 135,000. So I think we have some answer here out here. 135,000 divided by 108, so we get 1 by 125. So yes, our second condition is also satisfied, and 10 square x cannot be 1 by 3 because we have already got the value of 10 square x as 2 by 3. Now let us just check whether the fourth condition, that is, let us just rub this part. So it's given sine square x matlab 2 by 5 whole square divided by 8 plus again 3 by 5 whole to the power 4, because it's already in square on square, so we don't need to do it actually. 2 by 5 and by, because it cannot increase, right? Because we have to understand that. Okay, anyways, let's just do it. So 8 5s are 40 by 2, and this will be again 625 into 27, and 9 9s are 81. So again it will become 625. Just take the, so I think we'll get the LCM, same answer for the LCM. It will be 1,35,000. so we'll get the, so it will be 33,750 into 2 plus 81 into 40. So let's just do it. 33,750 into 2 is 67,500 plus 3240 plus 3240 70740 1,35,000 divided by 70740. So it's 1 by 9, 198 or something, 10 by 19.8. So basically this is not, it is incorrect. So this option also gets invalidated. So we have two options here which are correct. So I hope you have understood the question. It's a very simple one, and let's just move to the next question. So this is another very easy question. So we have been given that cos alpha plus beta, alpha and beta lie between the range 0 to pi by 4. So this is pi by 4, so it will lie in the first quadrant. So cos alpha by beta is 4 by 5. So sin alpha plus beta, how much will it be, कितना हो जाएगा? So it will be 25 minus 16, so it will be 3 by 5. So tan alpha plus beta will be sin alpha plus beta by cos alpha plus beta, so it will be 3 by 4, right? Similarly, we have been given sin alpha minus beta is 5 by 30, so cos alpha minus beta will be 169 minus 25 by 169, so it will be 12 by 13. So similarly, tan alpha minus beta will also become 5 by 12. So now see, tan 2 alpha, we can write it as tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta, right? And we know that tan a plus b जो आइडेंटिटी है, it's tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b, right? So we can write it like this only, tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b. So what is the value of tan a? Tan a is nothing but tan alpha plus beta, which is 3 by 4. Tan alpha minus beta is 5 by 12, and this will be 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. So we can just write it as 12, 4, 3, 9, 5, and this will become 48, 15, 48, so 14 by 12, and this will become 33 by 48. So if we solve this, we get 12 for the 14 by 12, 48 by 33, 12 4, 64, 56 by 33. So this is our answer. So this is how we solve this question, and we have solved very important but a bit easy question today. And in the upcoming lectures we will continue to provide you with more concepts, and we will solve more questions from previous year. Thank you.